Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from FamilyTreeNow step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out of FamilyTreeNow, go to their opt-out page. Enter your email address, verify the CAPTCHA box, and click Begin Opt-out Procedure. Next, enter in your name, city, state, location, and birth year. You can also expand your search by clicking the Add More Criteria below the Location tab. Fill out the birth country, relative name, county, date of death, address, and/or phone number. Once done, click on Search. Look for your record and verify your personal information by clicking on View Details. Once you have verified that the record belongs to you, click the red Opt Out This Record button. An on-screen confirmation will appear if your opt-out request is successful and a verification link is sent to your email. Check your email and click on the link to confirm your opt-out request. After clicking the verification link, you'll see an on-screen confirmation that your request is being processed. Congratulations for opting out of FamilyTreeNow. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.